Thank you, Spicoside. Thank you so much. 3 viewers and 4. Shout out. If I wear this one, I look like 60 years old. Two viewers and 4. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. What is that? It's that water? Yeah, I need to drink more water. I don't understand you, but I like the way you speak and sing. Maybe in 2 months, Chris, I will sing here in YouTube. Because my blow a kiss to us, please. Charot. My speaker, like the speaker, it's broken. So I cannot sing anymore. But maybe soon, in 2 months, I don't know if I get my salary here in YouTube because it's been 3 months. So this August, it's like 4 months. I don't have salary here. So yeah, I don't think in September if I have. But if I can get my salary, I will buy a speaker or like a sound card. I think so that I can sing. Why you don't wear it? Look 16 years old. When you don't wear 16 years old, are you sure? I'm so old, very old, very old. Yeah, if I am wearing, I look like 60, right? So I don't wear it. Charot. So 3 viewers and 4. Hello, thank you so much. So Pico Side is also a bolero. So guys, I need to end my live na because my phone is like, yeah, the battery is draining. You are simply beautiful. Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you, Chris. Simply beautiful, Chris. Thank you so much. So many beautiful Chris in the Mexico. I like the girls in Mexico, so they are very beautiful. I saw the movie. Only the movie I saw. The girls in Mexico is very beautiful. Dejate tus lentes. Ano daw? Ano daw yun? Salamat ka. Malakaw ka? Balik. My goodness. You can see this. My father bought this one. Because it's very, very, very hot in here. So we put it in the pichel. We put it in the water so we can drink it. We can drink cold water. We can't drink cold water. I don't know if you are familiar this one. Yeah, this one. I don't know if you are familiar this. But this is what we use to drink cold water here in the Philippines. We buy this one and we put it in the water so we can drink